Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I will have to say Gemini, which is backed by WebBank. Do your research about WebBank. They back a lot of other credit cards, but Gemini in 2024 and 2025, their marketing team is doing a great job, especially with these different cards, the XRP card, the Solana card, and now the Bitcoin card. Now, I'll let you know out the gate, this is a pre-approval. But to do the pre-approval, you will have to download the Gemini app, sign up, create an account and stuff like that. And at that point, you could go do the pre-approval. You can see what kind of limits you're gonna get, what kind of APR you're gonna get on that card. Now, this card maxes out about 25,000. So that's where you're gonna be on the high limit. Don't think you're gonna get this card with $35,000, $40,000, $50,000. But again, $25,000, you still can do a lot. Now, this card, I will have to say, when I started my credit journey, I wish they had a card like this around. I did a full breakdown on the original Gemini credit card years ago. I'm gonna be honest, even though I love this card today, I did not like the original one years ago. I did a full breakdown, you could go on that, but it really wasn't offering enough for me to go and apply. You know, I got over 35 credit cards, so I don't be chasing credit cards. Now, I will have to say now, even though I got different multiple brokerage accounts, invested in crypto and other assets and stuff like that on the stock market, I am not gonna apply for any of these cards because I got other cards that I'm maneuvering around, and I'm gaining other kind of rewards and stuff like that. But I'm just not applying for no other credit cards. But for people out there, if you new into investing, you don't know too much about these different platforms, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, ROBINHOOD, there's so many out there. When it comes to crypto, Coinbase, if you don't know anything and you just want to get a credit card where you could use it and your reward points will turn into whatever the card is, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, go ahead, swipe that card. Your gas, you're buying food, you're going to a restaurant, you're buying clothes, whatever you do, keep swiping the card and you're gonna earn back percentage of these crypto coins, which is really good, I will have to say. Now, once you download that and you move forward, you will have to upload your ID. They need to verify who you are at the end of the day. This card, I will have to say, is no annual fees. And I'm honestly, anybody I'm gonna start working with, I'm gonna start really pushing this to people, because when it comes to investing, a lot of people have a lot of questions, but they might not know about investing. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. Let me make this clear. When it comes to investing now, let me make that clear. I'm just telling you through my journey and what I think, in my opinion, on these cards. Now, in 2025, when it comes to investing, I would have to say this is probably one of the best cards out there right now. The Bitcoin card, XRP, Solana, back through Gemini and back from WebBank as well. But again, you're gonna get 4% again on gas, transit, EV, 3% back on dining, grocery, 2%. Everything else will be 1%, and you earn 200. Please, people, listen to me clearly. $200 back in crypto after you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days on whichever card. Even though we're talking about the Bitcoin card, you could apply for whatever one that you into. You might say, hey, I know a little about XRP. I know a little about Solana. I know what they're doing. I'm interested and I want to invest. So let me get this card, start using this card and start earning some crypto, Again, and once you get it, once you swipe it, it's not like a regular credit card. You get your rewards back, your money, cash, whatever it may be, in the next 30 days, once the monthly statement is closed. When you use any of these cards, once you swipe it, people, listen to me clearly. So you have the Bitcoin card. Once you swipe it, you bought some gas, whatever it may be, groceries, whatever, you'll be able to go right on that app and you'll be able to see your Bitcoin, how much you earned for using whatever purchase you did, how much you could have spent 20, 30, 40, 50. You could go right on the app and you can see how much Bitcoin you earned, which is really good. Instantly, you don't have to wait 30 days like every other credit card. So again, you're gonna earn back the rewards, and you could transfer whatever you got. If you have the Bitcoin, XRP, Solana and stuff like that, you'll be able to transfer whatever you have onto other platforms that you have, that you want to transfer it to, that they partner up, which, so you don't have to worry about it that it's going to be on the Gemini app. No, you'll be able to transfer it out and send it different places, which is really good. Now, I'm telling you, I'm this close to applying for the Bitcoin card. This close. I mean, this close. But I'm gonna keep I'm gonna pump the brakes right now because I got a lot going on. I got enough credit cards, and I'm working all of them at the same time. So again, no annual fees. As this is a MasterCard, you're gonna be able to use this card anywhere in the world, people. And again, they got the original cards right here. I did full breakdowns on that in the past. So go ahead, download this app. I have no kind of partnerships with Gemini. I'm just trying to give you my honest review about this card. If you want to invest, because I get a lot of questions. People always sending me emails about investing and stuff like that. And what credit card should they use to get, earn back reward points. But if you enter the stock market, crypto, if you want to invest in some, earn some crypto, these are the cards where you could just do your daily swipes and get ahead and earn some crypto. Because I'm telling you again, this is my opinion, people. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm sitting back, I'm collecting all my crypto every single day because 2030, crypto's gonna be going to the moon. Now, again, that's my opinion. I don't want people saying that I'm pushing anybody to, apply for anything or do anything. I'm just giving you my personal opinion. I'm sitting back to 2030, and then I'm gonna cash out on all my crypto I have. Again, I want y'all to do your own research. I don't want you going out there, even I'm doing videos, anybody doing videos, do your own research on any credit cards, or go to Reddit, go to all these different platforms, do your reviews, go to Trustpilot. It's so many platforms where you could go and to see reviews. And then at that point, once you get enough knowledge, go ahead, pull the trigger and move forward. Because again, there's a lot of money to be made out here when it comes to investing. I just like to, bring you the information, but at the end of the day, it's up to you to make your own decision. You got to do your own research. But I'm telling you right now, my personal opinion, Gemini did a total transformation when it comes to these crypto credit cards. And definitely, man, I will have to say, from my information and people that I've been working with that applied and got these credit cards and stuff like that, I got great feedback from them. People I've been working with, great feedback, and they're happy with it. And they really don't know a lot about the crypto world, but they learning at the same time as they, again, having a credit card, swiping it, and learning the different information about this credit card. So again, man, I want to see everybody win, but everybody got to do their own research. So again, go ahead, download the app, go ahead, see if you get pre-approved. Make sure you got that 690. Make sure none of your credit bureaus have a lock on it. Please don't do that because they're going to automatically kick you out and deny you. It's very simple. Then they'll, again, you'll have to upload your ID to verify who you are. Move forward and see what can happen. So I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top, man. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.